The main elements used by Bicep on Glue are a Juno 106 Strings, a Drony A type of Vox, and I found a correspondence of it on this contact instrument called Vocal Colors. It's a patch that I edited a bit, but I think the original patch is called Breathy something, Breathy Drone. So it's basically a drone Vox. Chopped off Breakbeat samples combined with 909 kick. I just found the closest that I could get, but and potentially 909 hats. Reese Bass, obviously. And that's it. That's literally 4 elements. Breakbeat drums. We got the Vox drone and also a Vox phrase sample that was potentially recorded. And a Juno 106 strings. And Reese Bass, if I haven't mentioned that, I think I did. But yeah, 4 instrumentations essentially.